this math question is not real. So yeah, what a lot of people tend to do is do the opposite of plus 10, which means you'll minus 10 on both sides. 10 minus 10 will cancel out, so you end up with x squared is equal to 1 minus 10. And since it's 1 minus 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, and since it's negative, it's going to be equal to negative 9. In that case, we have something to the second power is equal to negative 9. So what do? We're going to take the square root of both sides. Square root and square will cancel out, giving you x is equal to the square root of negative 9. How do we simplify it from here? Well, I have to remember this rule. Anytime I have square root of a times b, that's just simply equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. So the square root of negative 9 becomes a familiar number, which in this case is the square root of 9, times the square root of what number? Well, 9 times negative 1 is equal to negative 9. And then 9 times negative 1, negative 9 checks out for this rule. And then the square root of 9, which we know is 3, and the square root of negative 1 becomes your favorite imaginary number, I. So in that case, the answer is 3i. But wait, not really. Because remember how before you squared it, so not only do you have the positive 3i, you also have negative 3i. So yes, x is equal to positive negative 3i, and that's your final answer.